Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. It's a scorcher of a day here, 28 Celsius, beautiful. I'm going to show you around this Arocs 8x4 tipper that we've thrown some light bars, lights and some air horns on. Here we go then, Mercedes Arocs 8x4 tipper. It's got the Predator Ultimate tipping body on the back by ABBA Commercials. It's sitting on some Alcoa Durabrights as well, really sets this truck off. I know it's a necessity for a tipper, but it does look very nice. And talking of setting it off, we've added some light bars, some extra lights, which are really snazzy, I'm going to show you them, and some Hadley Air Horns for some tones. Let me show you these light bars first. We've got another camera angle coming in as well. It's all dynamic. We're very good here now. So here we've got a grill city bar. These are made by Metec in Estonia. Stainless bar, fitted in some extra side marker LED lights into the bar, and then sitting on there is a pair of Strands night guard LED bars. Now these night guards are really unique. They have, as you can see, built-in beacons and strobes on the top, which have multiple flash patterns as well, and they all sync and talk to each other. They also have, which isn't lit up at the minute, but we'll get some B-roll, an LED DRL running through the middle. Now you can have that as white, or you can have it as amber as well for, you know, for that show look if you really want to. Pop that on a switch too, so you can change that. And they have a super bright driving light as well. I don't know how many thousand lumens, but it's crazy bright. We'll get some B-roll of that and you'll see that in a minute. These lights really are the all-in-one solution. So they come in various different sizes. These ones I believe are a 10 inch. You have your beacon, you have your side light, and you have your main driving beam, all in one lamp. Double row setup, nice and streamlined. I mean, it's the ultimate lamp. What more do you want? I know some people like all the oval spotlights and the separate beacons, but for me, these really set it off. They really do. We've also fitted a roof bar up there as well, which you'll be able to see hopefully with a bit more B-roll because it's miles up there and the sun's bright. 3 more of those night guards on the top, more LED side markers, and I really like this top light roof bar because it kind of goes up and over the roof, so it brings the whole cab in to where the sun visor is. It looks really smart. And also, either side, like I said, those Hadley Air Horns. What more do you want on a truck than a big set of horns, or a loud set of horns I should say. These ones aren't massive, these are the 22-inch Hadleys, but oh boy do they set a good sound. Let people know you're coming, and the stainless finish as well just goes nicely with the light bar. I do love a good set of Hadleys, I have to say, and they're loud. Millie, cut to a clip of me blowing the horns now. See what I mean? Super loud, love them. So yeah, that's okay, it was a quick video, but Metec light bars, they're on our website. Just go under exterior, light bars. Strands night guard, just search that, you'll find them. We do loads of other Strands lights as well. They're Siberia range, which is similar to this. Epic lights, you need to be looking at those if you haven't already got them on your truck. And then yeah, the Hadley Air Horns, like I said. So cool, right, that's it. I'm gonna see you next time. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell notification icon as well, because that really helps us out. Drop us a comment below if you've got any questions about anything. Make sure you hit us up on all of our socials as well. They're growing like crazy now. We keep giving away free stuff. That's why they're growing, probably because we keep giving away free stuff. But anyway, make sure you get on them. And yeah, I'll see you soon.